Hello, friends. Welcome to Smart Coach. In this bullet, we are going to focus upon a very interesting personality of the British Indian Empire, Lord Arthur Wellesley, Governor of Mysore, a veteran of the Fourth Anglo Mysore War as well as the Second Anglo Maratha Wars. Lord Arthur Wellesley must not be confused with Lord Richard Wellesley. Richard Wellesley was indeed the Wellesley who was the Governor General of India, and Arthur Wellesley was his brother. But in fact, during Richard Wellesley's tenure in India as Governor General, it was also Arthur Wellesley who served as a military official in various Indian campaigns, the most glorious among which are the Battle of Seringapatnam fought against Tipu Sultan during the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War, in which he played a very pivotal role, as well as the Battle of Asai, which was fought against the Maratha Confederacy during the Second Anglo-Maratha Wars. He received various promotions because of his participation in military exploits in India, and later on, when he traveled to Europe, he also became a very pivotal figure in European history. In the year 1814, Lord Arthur Wellesley received his dukedom from the ruler of England. He became the Duke of Wellington. And it is interesting to note that as the Duke of Wellington, it was him who in 1815, in the famous Battle of Waterloo, defeated Napoleon and brought to an end the Napoleonic era of conquests all across Europe and the Napoleonic Wars. What this bullet must inform you of is the fact that several of the important British officers that played a great role in the rise of the British Empire in India also played pivotal roles in European politics as well as American politics. Did you know that Lord Cornwallis was indeed the governor of the American colonies, and he was the one during whose governor generalship that America became independent? So, such kind of instances are very common in history and are also commonly overlooked. So, with that message, I leave you today in this bullet. Keep searching and keep learning.